In this video, I'll guide you on how to earn crypto airdrops, a fantastic way to earn free crypto. Have you ever wished you'd gotten in on the ground floor of a successful crypto project? Well, airdrops offer you a chance to do just that. Many of today's top projects rewarded their early users with massive airdrops, worth thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars. Imagine earning significant amounts of crypto simply for being an early adopter of promising new projects. That's the power of airdrops. Hello, and welcome to the Crypto Owl Prof channel, where we explore the latest in digital finance and cryptocurrency. Today, we'll explore how to find crypto airdrops and, most importantly, how to participate to maximize your earnings. So, let's get right into it. So what is a crypto airdrop? A crypto airdrop is a marketing strategy where blockchain projects distribute free tokens or coins to a target audience. Think of it like a promotional giveaway, but instead of t-shirts or coffee mugs, you're getting potentially valuable crypto. For a deep dive into crypto airdrops, why projects offer them, and the different types, you may want to watch our dedicated video that delves deep into what airdrop is and how they work. Standard airdrops are often timed to coincide with a project's token generation event, or TGE. This means that shortly after the project officially launches its token and it enters circulation, they may do a standard airdrop to generate hype and reward early adopters. This can create a sense of excitement and community around the launch of the new token. For example, on September 16, 2020, Uniswap, UNI, executed the largest crypto airdrop in history, distributing $6.43 billion worth of tokens when the token peaked at an all-time high price of $42.88. How to find upcoming crypto airdrops. Finding airdrops is key to maximizing your free crypto earnings. Here are ways to do that. Use airdrop aggregator websites like Airdrops.io, CoinGecko, and CoinMarketCap. Curate lists of upcoming airdrops. Follow crypto projects and influencers on Twitter and Telegram. Use dApp monitoring platforms like DappRadar, which tracks decentralized applications and often highlights associated airdrop events. It's essential to note that not all airdrops are created equal. Here are some things to consider. Total value locked, TVL. A high TVL can indicate a project has strong traction and may lead to a more valuable airdrop. Airdrop allocation percentage. The percentage of the total token supply dedicated to the airdrop can impact individual rewards. Competition level. The number of participants vying for the airdrop will affect your potential earnings. Project legitimacy. Research the team, roadmap, and community to ensure the project is credible. To participate in airdrops, specific steps will vary by project, but some common actions include: you'll often need a compatible crypto wallet, like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Complete tasks. This might involve social media engagement, using the platform, or providing liquidity. Follow instructions carefully. Pay close attention to all requirements and deadlines to avoid disqualification. The actions to earn airdrops might be on-chain versus off-chain activities. On-chain actions are those that occur directly on the blockchain, like trading or providing liquidity. Off-chain actions, on the other hand, are actions that occur outside the blockchain, like following on social media or joining a Discord server. Before we continue with tips to maximize your airdrop earnings, if you're finding this content helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up for more cryptocurrency tips. Thank you. To maximize your airdrop earnings, consider the following. 1. Utilize multiple wallets. Some airdrops limit participation per wallet, so having multiple wallets can increase your potential rewards. 2. Invite friends to participate and earn bonus tokens. Hold and accumulate tokens. Don't sell your airdrop tokens immediately. Their value may appreciate over time. 3. Engage in staking and yield farming in projects that offer airdrops to users who stake their tokens. 4. Implement looping techniques, which involves repeatedly lending and borrowing crypto to increase on-chain activity. Some users even undertake what is known as airdrop farming. Airdrop farming refers to actively participating in on-chain and off-chain activities to increase your chances of receiving a larger allocation of airdrop tokens, some of which involve working around the rules. There's also automated airdrop farming, where users use paid services to automate on-chain activities to help them qualify for more airdrops. Airdrops can be time-sensitive, so it's important to actively follow projects to avoid missing claim deadlines. Research promising projects and stay updated on their progress. For specific examples, check out resources like Prof YouTube channel for detailed guides.